mathematicians! Today we're going to be working on a subtraction strategy called the difference of 1, 2, 3. I wonder what that's going to include. We're going to use our number line as our memory tool to help us think about this strategy and work through our subtraction problems today. Let's get started. 3 minus 2. Well, let's think about 3 and 2 on the number line. I'm going to place one finger on 3 and another finger on 2. And I'm going to look really closely and notice that 3 and 2 are neighbors on the number line. They are right next door to each other. They are only one jump away from each other. So there is a couple of strategies I could use to solve 3 minus 2. One strategy, I could count back 2 and land on 1. Another strategy I want us to think about today is noticing that these two numbers are neighbors on the number line and they have a difference of just 1. So thinking about that one jump, 3 minus 2 is a difference of 1. Let's see if this continues with our pattern. 4 minus 3. Putting a finger on 4 on the number line and another finger on 3. And noticing how close are 4 and 3 to one another on the number line. They're neighbors. They're right next door. How far away are they? Just one jump from each other. There's a difference of 4 and 3 of 1, meaning 4 minus 3 equals 1. That's a nice, efficient way to think about it. Let's look at 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6. Well, we could do our count back where we have to count back 6 jumps. That's a lot of jumps. Could I also notice that 7 and 6 are right next door to one another? They're only one jump away from each other. The difference between 7 and 6 is 1. 7 minus 6 is 1. Let's try a few more. 6 minus 4. I find 6 here on the number line, and I found 4 with my other finger. Now, they're not neighbors right next door, but they're pretty close to each other. How close are they? 1 jump, 2 jump. Oh, they're only 2 jumps away from each other. So 6 minus 4 is 2. The difference between those two numbers is 2. Nice. What about 5 minus 3? Is 5 and 3 close to each other on the number line? 5, 3. They are really close. How close are they together? 1, 2 jumps away from each other. The difference between 5 and 3 is 2. Nice. Let's keep working on that strategy to notice how close are these two numbers on the number line. 9 minus 7. I'm going to find 9 with one finger, 7 with the other finger. Oh, they are pretty close to each other. How close? 1, 2 jump away from one another. So the difference of 9 minus 7 is 2. And our last one, 8 minus 5. Well, I'll put my finger on 8 and my finger on 5 and see how close are they. What's the difference between 8 and 5? 1, 2, 3. 3 jumps. 3 jumps is less than making 5 jumps back. So I can think of 8 minus 5, which is 3 jumps, is 3. All right, good work today, mathematicians. We're going to keep working on these strategies with a number line, building this number line in our mind so we can make jumps in our head to be efficient mathematicians. Keep practicing these strategies, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.